My name is B Walk, and welcome back to Cop Your Coin, where I show you how to cop your coin in the fastest growing market in world history. Let's get it. Today's video, I'm going to talk about XLM, Stellar Lumens, and why I think this altcoin is poised to break out. I think there's an opportunity right now today. This is in November, the first weekend, and I think you've got a great opportunity to add this to your portfolio if you haven't already started doing so, because I think they are next to be a pretty quick coin. It's going to move faster, especially going into the end of 2018. Okay, but before you know, as I always ask you, fam, I'm going to ask you to do three things. I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that alert button so that you know when fresh content is coming out from Cop Your Coin. Okay, so let's get into it. So again, as I always start with my videos, I like to go over the coin market cap, kind of giving me the pulse of the market as a whole. As you can see, the current cryptocurrency market cap is 206 billion. And as I like to look at my top 10 coins, and this one we're talking about Stellar Lumens, which is number 6. So, and they're currently trading at about 4.4 billion, and they got a price at right now about 23 cents. And they've been moving up higher. You see, although the top 10 coins are basically in the green, Stellar has been one of the second, next to Bitcoin Cash, has been the second highest mover as of late, with about 4 points moving higher. So we're going to get into that and kind of discuss kind of what's going on, what's going to happen forward. So as I always like to say, I like to look at two different ways when I'm looking at analyzing the market. I'm looking at my fundamental analysis. I'm looking at my technical analysis. Right now, we're looking at the technical, and these are two lines that I drew a while back, as you can see, with Stellar Lumens, and this is really bullish. What I'm seeing here. So we got the 200-day moving average right here, and this is a daily chart. And as you can see, Stellar's been basically bouncing through, and this is what I've called a spring. It's kind of like we call it a triangle, a wedge. And usually what happen is the price moves to one side or the next. And right here, as you see, fam, it looks like it's poised to break out. I'm expecting it to move higher from here. So I'm actually in a place where I'm going to be buying. I've already started to buy some, so I'm buying a little more. Because I think it's going to go higher from this point. So it's breaking out, looks to the positive side. It hasn't quite gotten past that resistance, but I think that it will in the next few days. Because, like I said, technically speaking, it looks strong. It looks a healthy picture. But also there's some fundamental news out here, and we're going to get into that here in a moment. So as we talk about Stellar Lumens, we're talking about the opportunity. Again, the biggest thing on these coins is trying to get to a place where you're able to scale up fast and you're able to have some payments, global payment system. So scale up fast and global payment system. Okay. The other thing is fundamentally, look at this. So it came out that Coinbase just added BAT to their pro platform. So it's not on their retail platform, which is the one that most of you probably already have. The pro platform, which you can get, is on there now, but it's not really tradable. It's just more of you can start to accumulate. You can start to put coins on there. You can put your coins on that electronic wallet, basically on their exchange. However, the interesting thing about this is Coinbase lists BAT, and that's the token that just happened. Could Stellar Lumens be next? Okay, and that's a very interesting supposition, if you will. So as you can see, and I want to concentrate here, focus on XLM. XLM, I think, is poised to be the next coin that's going to be added, and here's why. Unsurprisingly, many pundits of the Stellar network and its native asset, Stellar Lumens, have been waiting for Coinbase's validation for years. The Jed Michaela-backed Stellar, which somewhat unlike Cardano, has a mostly fully fledged ledger up and running, has been seen as the primary contender for Coinbase's next listing due to real-world adoption and utilization of the popular network. Interestingly, out of the three aforementioned cryptocurrencies, Lumens rose the most following the BAT announcement, potentially alluding to the market sentiment that Coinbase will be listing XLM next. And what I specifically want to show you is this is where BAT was when they made that announcement yesterday, and this is where it is now. So it was actually a 30% move for them. So I suspect if that was the case that happened with XLM, 30% would basically move roughly about 8 cents, 9 cents pretty quickly. And that will you see this move up to about 30 cents, and I think it will move even further than that. And that's, again, like I said, that's the first step into an introduction into a wider range of retail hands that everybody will be able to get this coin. Right now, you can only get it, as you know, going through Binance or some other type of exchange. You can't get it off of Coinbase. Okay, so some exciting times here as we round into the fourth quarter of the year. All my XLM people out there, question of the day: what price do you think XLM will hit by the end of 2018? Could it double in price? You think it'd be the same, but it'd be higher? I don't know. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you next time on Cop Your Coin.